Now the
President alikugambaho n'amahe okurugwa mu Uganda Armed Forces Command na Staff College Senior Course 46 aha State House Entebbe nagira eby'obutegyeki by'Enganda n'eddiini nekimuha bintu bikuru ebyabire bigarize enyuma eby'entunguko mu mahanga ga Africa omu myaka y'enyuma.
The initial problem we faced was the politics of identity. The politics of identity. Some people, actually most of the political leaders thought that politics should be for identity groups, tribes, religion, gender chauvinism, the three.
I'm here to accompany the visiting delegation from the Fraternal African State of Ghana, Your Excellency, and specifically from the Ghana Senior Staff and Command College, who are here on a study tour under the theme Climate Change, Environment Security and Development as a requirement for the fulfillment of their training program, Your Excellency.
Abari mu ihanga okurambura okukushoma ninga study tour okoresherire haby'obuhangwa n'empinuka y'obwire ebyokwerinda hamwe n'entunguka.
But for us, we came on the scene in the 1960s, and when we came, we found that politics of identity, religion, like Abubakar Tafawa Balewa for the northern region of Nigeria, Hausa Fulani, Muslim Christian, then you had Namudi Azikiwe, Igbo, then you had Awolowo, Yoruba. Even here, it was the same story. You had a party for Catholics, a party for Protestants, a party for one of the tribes, the Baganda. So when we came, we analyzed this and said, what is the historical mission? What is the historical mission?
President Museveni agambiriye bakuru b'amahaba ngo entunguko y'amahanga n'abantu nebo haba hari nkwatanisa omu bantu bona.
On all that time evolution of the human being, but also of society. So the prosperity, so we said, what is the mission of leaders, political, even professional like you? What is their mission that is useful? Because you can have wrong missions and the right missions.
Nagira ngo ebyafayo nibyoreka ngo emyaka ey'abantu batira mu by'obutegetsi bw'Enganda n'amadini tihariho kihango kibatungiremu. Ubwo abashabire kwebembeza okutoya ebigendererwa bina bya NRM ebirimu patriotism, pan-Africanism, socio-economic transformation and democracy kandi ekintu kiza kwinigiza entunguko ya Africa. Gasha kwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.